All righty, we're going to kick it off right here with Van Consolation. So come on out, Van Consolation. First up, introducing Atomos Auto Towing. Trayton Winnicky, number 919. Brad Herring. Brandon Harritz, number 25H. Introducing from GBS Wrecking Crew, Luke Plaisance. Robert Sundberg, number 8. Mark Boyce Jolie, number B5. In walks Crazy Jays, John Vies, number 30. John McNamara, number 12. Joe Anderson, number 218. And last but not least, we got Andrew and Jill's Hideaway. Peyton Eldridge, number 73. Bryce Koenig, number 99. And Jordan Anderson, number 9.5, junior, come on out. All right, let's get the countdown. Help me out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's crash, let's crash. Got a red flag out there, guys. Shut it down. Red flag. Do some mayhem. Oh. Another red flag. Red flag. Another tire fell off. Red flag. Crazy J breaks the stick in the yellow. Beautiful hit. Oh, we got a red flag, guys. Red flag. Red flag. All right, look like we got two winners here. Atomos Towing and Andrew and Jill's Hideaway. Make some noise.